To work with a wet leather hard technique, we need to prep our slabs a day in advance. So I'm going to roll out my slabs, and I need to check my size. So I should already know what I'm making generally. So in this case, I'm making a 4.5 by 6.5 piece, and I know I need 2 pieces. So I'm just double checking, right? Making sure I have enough. If not, I can roll out more. And then I'm going to trim, but I don't want to actually make it the exact size I want. I do need it to dry before I fully trim. So just trim off the excess, giving yourself some wiggle room. Right, so that's my wiggle room there. And now I need a sheet of newspaper. It's just one piece, right? It's not a whole stack. And I'm going to put this newspaper on top of my slab, and then the next slab. So I'm making like a sandwich. And I might need another sheet of newspaper because I happen to have 3 pieces of clay here. And it's important to note that I'm going from biggest to smallest. So my biggest slab's on the bottom, my smallest is on top, if there's a size difference. And then I'm going to wrap it in plastic. So you can see I've got my layers. I want to leave a little bit of a bubble of air. And then I'm going to fold that plastic under and save it for next class. So this is really for next class. And here's why it works. So by next class, you should have a nice dry piece.